My name's Carsten Dethlefsen. I'm the Managing Director of XFRAME. XFRAME is a modular framing system. A typical XFRAME panel has no glue or screws or nails. We do have bolts that hold certain components together, but the frame itself is put together with a rubber mallet, a set of instructions IKEA style, and it's friction that's holding it in place. What we do is we take a design, however that might come. It might be a ready-made design, it might be a sketch on a napkin, and we will feed that into the system, into our proprietary platform, which will then go through and it will calculate the components required to build that building based on predetermined set of rules. And a lot of that's driven by engineering. It will then automatically nest those on a cut file. So the cut file is what we send to manufacturers. Our typical cut files have got between 3 and 5% waste. Then move on to generate assembly instructions, installation guides, and full design documentation. So that process of taking a design through to being manufacturing ready, 90% of that is automated. What that means is that we can very quickly take a design and be construction ready within the space of hours. Green Industries SA have been a long-time advocate of XFRAME. They came on board very early on, provided some startup capital for us to then work through research, development, prototyping, really gave us a leg up to develop the product and the applications. And since then, their support has been ongoing in terms of creating an awareness of XFRAME in the market, providing us with lots of opportunities to demonstrate our products and speak with new clients that we hadn't previously identified. The circular economy for us is incredibly important and it's weighing heavily in decision making. One of the key focuses is minimising the impact on the environment. We've got finite resources and using those to the best we possibly can. That's where XFRAME really works to its strengths in terms of its reusability. What XFRAME offers is a sustainably sourced, sustainably grown framing, which is then complemented by whatever finishes that client wants. And what we're able to do is reutilise that frame multiple times over rather than it going to waste.